just finished this print. This is like a key ring note holder, like a little drawer almost. Now, it seemed to me, well certainly the previous print I did, that it was not totally vertical. So you can see the gap there. It looks pretty straight. Oops, oh, I've knocked it off the bed. Pity about that. Just stand it back up on the bed. I'm doing this one-handed in the way. You see the gap there, that it certainly looks wider here than at the bottom. Now the bed has been levelled, the carriage is level, so I'm not sure why this is happening. It's almost like as it's printing X, it's gradually going further right as it goes each layer. But here's a part, see, this was printed up this way, but it might be that way around, I can't really remember. Like this other one was printed up that way, and you can see a gap there with the join. But if I'll turn this round, I'm not going to fake this, but I will have to put the camera down while I do this, and you'll see that fits perfect. If anybody can help me why that isn't, see that matches up with that one. It's sanding on that, I think, dust, pretty perfect if I put it in that way around. But why isn't it printing like totally straight up and down? It seems to be ever so slightly, I estimate 1 degree maybe, 2.